grocery at the Atacadao. That is where you can find cheaper products. Way cheaper than what we have here in Florianopolis.
And soon we are going to cross the bridge because Florianopolis is an island surrounded by beautiful beaches. And the bridge connects Florianopolis to Sao Jose. And soon we are going to see the bridge.
That is right. That's very exciting. And Florianopolis is a very beautiful city here in Brazil.
It's a touristic destination. And during summer, the population rise to 2,500,000 people. But during winter, it's just about 500,000.
Alright. Yes. And you can see a lot of tourists here. Actually. From Europe, America. A lot of people are, coming here during summer because of the beautiful beaches, the food, the people. And this is one of the safest cities in Brazil. So you won't have to worry about your safety.
And you're gonna learn Portuguese when you come here. Just basic Portuguese, for example. Thank you. How to say thank you in Portuguese. If you are a woman, you have to say obrigada. If you are a man, you have to say obrigado.
Oh, that is right.
And good morning. How to say good morning in Portuguese? You have to say bom dia. Good afternoon. Boa tarde. Good night. Boa noite. How to say you're welcome in Brazil. It's very simple. You have to say de nada or
D, just
meaning
D.
de nada.
Yeah, it's just easy to learn Portuguese if you're determined to learn. Wow, I think you can see the bridge now.
We are going past to the beautiful bridge.
Oh wow! Come look and see the beautiful bridge here in Florianopolis. And that bridge connects Florianopolis and what's
Sao
the name?
Jose.
And Sao Jose. Yes. Living here is actually like a dream because
It's windy.
yes, you can experience 4 seasons here in Florianopolis.
Yes. You have summer,
yeah.
winter, spring, and autumn.
And that is right.
And we are finishing the winter because right now is September. And we're approaching now the autumn season.
Correct.
And summer will start around December. December is a beautiful, December, January, February. It's a very beautiful weather in Portugal.
this place is still part of Florianopolis.
But Takadao
It's already part of Sao Jose.
So there is a small part of the countryside that is right after the beach.
Uh-huh.
But then after that it's under the area of San Jose City.
Oh, wow.
Sao Jose is also very big.
It's also big, right?
Yes, and there's so many beautiful things.
Yes. There are also...
But the best thing is Florianopolis.
Yeah, the best city. So if you search that on the internet, you know, see if you search for the most beautiful city in Brazil, Florianopolis will come up. Yes, it's actually the number one recommendation on the internet.
Everydad, meaning it's true. In Portuguese, Everydad.
Yes. You know, the quality of life here is really, really good. You know,
Also the quality of air
Eh.
is fresh.
the quality of air is fresh.
If you're suffering from any allergies,
That is right.
very good.
It's here really good.
The fresh air and the breeze from the ocean.
True. Yeah, that is true. So if you're sensitive or if you have like respiratory problems, then you're gonna love it here. This place is for you. Yes. And you know, I think we are now in Sao Jose, right?
Yes, we are approaching
Atacadao.
You can see from here the color orange in front of us.
That's already Atacadao, right? So we are here at our destination where we will do grocery, and you can see a lot of, you know, good prices. So if you live in Florianopolis and if you want to save money,
You come here.
quality products, you just have to come here at Atacadao. You can, if you have your own car, you can use your own car. But if you don't have, you can use Uber. Uber. How much is the cost
I
for
paid
for Uber?
because we pay for 4 people. I paid for 18 reais, but if only 2 or 3, you can pay only for 15. Sometimes only 10, depending on the day,
Oh.
depending on the time. Because
Yeah.
today is raining, so we pay a little bit more.
That's cheap.
On the next video, please watch
Please.
another video about
Yes.
the products here in Atacadao and the prices.
Correct. Please watch the next video.
And
Bye.
we'll see you soon.
See you
Ciao,
soon.
ciao.
Ciao,
Bye-bye.
ciao.